Hi guys, so I just thought I'd share some little scrap fabric swatches that I've been making to help use up all of the scrap fabric. As you can see, I've made a whole bunch of them, but it didn't even make a dent in my scrap fabric bin. So what they are, they're just little bits of scrap fabric stitched together. There's bits of lace, scrap fabric, could be denim, could be bits of a appliques, trim. They're all different. I love how they come out. And what I was thinking of using these for is, where's the journal? Not in this journal, but sorry, I don't have a boho one to show you, but I'll just give you, say, an example. Where's the page? So something like, if you've got a coffee dyed page, you can use the long ones as tuck spots or pockets in, you know, boho journals or something like that. So you can stick something. Sorry, I'm so unprepared all the time. So, you know, you could put something in there as a pocket, or embellishments on tags or envelopes or any, or I don't know, whatever. I just sewed them all together. So I've made heaps, and I'll probably make some more because I'd like to use some and also put some in my Etsy shop. I'm not sure if anyone would be interested in them, but they're really handy to have when you're making a journal, and you know, if you have some pre-made stuff to just easily stick in quick and easy. So I'll show you a few. I was going to put them in any type of journal, but the look and feel of them, I think they kind of turned out more boho style, but I suppose they could go in any. There's a lot of florals in there, so maybe floral or botanical style journals. My journals tend to be a bit random anyway. So there's some embroidered fabrics. Some have other little bits and pieces, like this was a little piece off a denim something, and that's a little button there. And I just love how they all turn out so different. Like, no two are alike, even if you're using all the same scraps of fabric. There's a lot of florals there. So they're quick, really quick and easy to make as well. And the one thing though, if you're going to make some yourself, is don't overthink it. You just have to grab your little scraps and stitch it on. Like, don't be trying to match up colors or shapes or pieces. That's some like a netting type trim there. This fabric, I love this fabric. It's got like a gold foil or something in it. It's really pretty. But yeah, as you can see, I did get a bit addicted to making them. I just sit there and sew them off. This one, actually, this piece is a bit of it's like foiled plastic off a red licorice bag. It was shiny and pretty. I thought I'd stick it on there. You probably don't want to see them all. Even the little ugly pieces come up cute. It's my husband's old tie. Sorry, Darren. And you'll find when you do it random, sometimes the placement of fabric just falls into place, like that little flower showing there. So what I was thinking, I might just, if I put them in my Etsy store, I'll just make them, you know, a random selection. They're all different shapes, sizes, fabrics. Kind of hard to choose. I like the look of that one. Anyway, that's it. I probably won't show them all because you're probably bored by now. Oh, some have little flowers and stuff. Some of them are smaller than others, like you can just stick it straight onto a tag or embellishment or something. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.